So guys, we all know that the Weekend era will be end this year with Hurry Up Tomorrow. So we'll talk about this new trilogy. So ये वाली trilogy start होती है with the Weeknd's After Hours album, and Abel introduces a character who's Weeknd himself, or maybe it's a different person. I guess I don't know. Maybe it's Weeknd or I don't know. So album start with the Alone Again. We can talk about he feels home at Vegas. You know, it feels like a breakup song. Maybe going through a breakup and something like that in that time. And the music video of this album gave us a more clarity. तो हम उन पे भी शायद थोड़ी थोड़ी बात करेंगे. And Weeknd also said that he is living someone else's life. Like he is not the real one. Like he is not the real from inside and he is stuck or something like this. Like, and in Alone Again, and how our performance light turns into red and last में it goes back to the vibe. Light red signifies to the evilness and bad characters in cinemas, you know. And high white tone in creates optimistic and hopeful tones, and high lights को only often like pop music videos and उनके लिए यूज किया जाता है. So we can assume that Weeknd का जो कैरेक्टर है वो बैड थिंग्स और डार्क साइड में जाने के बीच में है. In Too Late we can talk about how he get obsessed with drugs and sex and girls, and he found the true value of his past relationship with his ex, like how he became toxic and how he is stuck in Hell's Paradise with flashing lights. Maybe he is talking about celebrity life जो हमेशा कैमरा के पीछे और फ्लैशेस से गिरे रहते हैं. Like he hides a real emotion from everyone and no one knows as shit about them. In Hardest to Love we can talk about he's hardest to love because he's way too toxic, and the girl who loves him can't let him go now because she tried so many times but she couldn't fix it. So yeah, we can accept here that he was toxic. And in Scared to Live maybe we can talk about how he is toxic and he leaves his girl because he doesn't want to hurt her anymore. But in Snow Child's music video we'll see so many things. Like in the start of the video हम देखते हैं Weeknd के कैरेक्टर को एक पोर्टल में गिरते हुए, एंड उसके बाद we can see the reference of House of the Balloon in this music video, and we'll see how Abel's life going and loneliness taking control and then uses relationship as a tool to get over. पर वो सभी के सभी कुछ बेमतलब के हो जाते हैं क्योंकि अब उसे उसके लिए कुछ करना ही होता. जो उसे चाहिए वो उसके पास वैसे ही आ जाता है. In Escape from LA, Abel started to miss his ex-girlfriend and talk about how LA is killing him from the inside because of past environment and his lifestyle. He got money, everything and voice, but not a single person who loves him truly as she did, because those girls are also same place as Abel. They are using him to get over. Weeknd wants to run away from LA with his love and live his lifestyle. And the next song is Heartless. In this music video, we've seen Abel is doing drugs, smoking, gambling with Metro! And like he's forget everything with drugs, and his Weeknd attitude hurts him like, I'm the Weeknd and I'll do whatever the fuck I want. I don't need bitches. I'm the need of bitches. And he's heartless because of the money and the pain. And अब हम next पे move करते हैं, and it's faith. So Weeknd lost his faith in himself and love of his life, like how he tried to become a better man for his lover, but he failed in it, and he returned back to his drug lifestyle, and he wants his partner by his side when he is all alone, but all of those drugs running in his veins. And this song outro is direct transition to the next song. So next song is Blinding Lights. When this music video Weeknd doing drugs and अब हो गया उसे overdose. So अब Weeknd क्या करेगा in the starting of the week, and in the starting maybe Weeknd का accident हो चुका है and he was laughing with evil smile, and then वी विजिट दैट फ्लैशबैक एंड हम उसमें देखते हैं कि लाइक कैसे वो बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हो चुका है एंड वो अपनी कार को चला रहा है एंड देन उसका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है एंड देन वी कैन सी लाइक ही गॉट इनटू ट्रबल विद सम गाइस लाइक अबाउट टू रॉब बट देन वो वहाँ से भाग जाता है. We'll see him like he's dancing and it's same as like Walking Phoenix did in Jokum 1. So हम इससे assume कर सकते हैं कि like how much we can create chaos in his life and he's literally doing dance of chaos. इसके बाद हम बात करते हैं the next one, In Your Eyes, and this song is so fucking good. In this song, I will talk about how much his lover was suffering because of him. Because the relationship is falling apart, but still his lover first strong forget and smile on face to hide how much he is suffering from it. And still, Vigan इन सब चीजों को ignore करता था. And because Vigan doesn't want to break up with her, and like the relationship turning into so, and Abel can see it in her eyes. Like Bro was trying to remain positive, but now the relationship is so fucked up and fallen apart. एंड हम उसे भी देख सकते हैं इन म्यूजिक वीडियो में लाइक वो एक लड़की का पीछा कर रहा है जस्ट लाइक कातिलों की तरह एंड ही इज गोना किल हर और समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड हम इसे एवल के टॉक्सिक बिहेवियर के साथ भी इसे थोड़ा सा मैच कर सकते हैं. He become toxic like some serial killer or something like that. That girl in the music video chopped his head to save herself. So maybe it will fit like she was so tired that she has to cheat on herself because Weeknd is way too toxic and she cheated him because of his actions and she's about to leave him. Of course, like everything is falling apart. So yeah, she has to leave him. So let's move to the next one. Save your tears for another day. So इसमें हम बात करेंगे कैसे वीकेंड सारे डॉट्स को कनेक्ट करता है. He found out that how his life fallen apart and he gets desperate to get up back in her life just like we all did it. At least हम toxic नहीं थे. So yeah, Weeknd trying to manipulate her to get her back. And it's clearly shown in whole fucking song. She took his advice and moved on. Or maybe she's taking break to figure out what went wrong. And we'll get clear view of how Abel is so desperate to get her back. And repeat after me, interlude. In this song, Weeknd trying to manipulate her and brainwashing her by saying that you don't love him if you are thinking of me. And he wants her so bad, like he's so desperate to get her back, and that desperate attempt, and he's scared that she will forget him with other men because she's dating new men and she's not with him anymore, and he's jealous. He doesn't want that. This song feels like some mantra and type शी like हमने देखा होगा ना कि कोई मंत्र होता है तो वो उसे बार बार रिपीट करता है, रिपीट बार बार वो चलता रहता है. सो दिस सॉन्ग जस्ट लाइक दैट, लाइक ही इज ट्राइंग टू मैनिपुलेट हर और लाइक वो काला जादू होता है ना, काला जादू जस्ट लाइक वैसा ही. सो ये अब मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट वन पे एंड इट्स आफ्टर अस. इन दिस सॉन्ग एबल स्टार्टेड टू मिस हिज एक्स अगेन and started to making promises like I'll treat you better than he did before. Abel's house is not house without his baby and he's not gonna let her go this time. And it's like Abel is drunk or something like that. We can call this drunk call. We can call this a drunk call. And he's regretting everything he did in the past. And he wants babies with his ex-partner. And Abel is taking responsibility on it this time. His ex-lover comes back to his life and he ain't gonna disappoint her. And he regrets pushing them away. And अब हम बात करते हैं the final chapter. So this is the climax of this album. मतलब this is the climax of this album. So in this song, Weeknd is soaring, keeping relationship alive, and he's out of energy. He bled out completely, and he said to himself that he won't touch drugs again and doesn't need any woman. It's just like us. मैं भी रोज खुद को बोलता हूँ ब्रो आज से सिगरेट नहीं पीऊंगा, आज से नहीं पीऊंगा, एंड अगले दिन मैं कर लेता हूँ फिर से. I don't know how. मैं इसे कब बंद कर पाऊंगा bro. And we can realize that his pain will come back with another relationships, with another heartbreaks. The cycle of pain will continue, and the heartbreak will comes back in his life, and he'll become alone again, and his suffering will return again. And with all of this, self-shame will return as well. He also knows that they pushed him away, and he also knows that they pushed him away because of his toxic behavior, and the cycle will repeat again and again. So yeah, आज के लिए इतना ही गाइस. मैं मिलता हूँ तुमसे किसी और वीडियो में. अगर तुम्हें ये वीडियो थोड़ी भी अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना. अगर नहीं करना चाहते तो कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि अभी मैं वैसी क्वालिटी नहीं दे पाता, क्योंकि मैं ब्रोक हूँ. आई एम ब्रोक एस निगा. If I get some money, I will give you the quality. Okay? Bye bye.